You file the case, the facts are wordy and long. Wanna sue the state or feds, how can it go wrong? Just check who's trying to sue and check who's trying to tax. Keep the entities separate and look right at the facts. States cannot sue the feds no matter what they try. Unless the feds give consent, that rule will always apply. The states are locked out of court, the feds are holding the key. That is the absolute rule of federal immunity. The states cannot tax the fed, the feds are immune. The feds cannot tax a state's official governmental function. But read the prompt real close, don't fall for the trap. Private citizens and businesses get taxed on the map. If it's a private gift shop or a worker's own pay, the immunity is gone, they gotta tax it today. Keep the government separate from the private domain. Spot the difference in the story, and you conquer the day. Now let's flip the table to see how state entities fare. The federal government sues a state and nobody can care. Sister states can sue too, there is no shield in the way. When a government sues a government, they'll have their day. But when the feds try to tax, you have to ask what it means. States doing state business or selling gum and magazines. If it's a government function, the feds must leave it alone. But a proprietary business is a taxable zone. The states cannot tax the fed, the feds are immune. The feds cannot tax a state's official governmental function. But read the prompt real close, don't fall for the trap. Private citizens and businesses get taxed on the map. If it's a private gift shop or a worker's own pay, the immunity is gone, they gotta tax it today. Keep the government separate from the private domain. Spot the difference in the story, and you conquer the day. Patience in the facts, that's how the rules are read. Don't let the wordy hypotheticals mess with your head. Is it a courthouse building or the candy bars inside? Is it a federal employee or where the feds reside? If Congress is acting and the state is acting too, look for supremacy and you'll know what to do. The state has police power, but the fed does not. Spot the issue, clear the clutter, and you win the spot. The states cannot tax the fed, the feds are immune. The feds cannot tax a state's official governmental function. But read the prompt real close, don't fall for the trap. Private citizens and businesses get taxed on the map. If it's a private gift shop or a worker's own pay, the immunity is gone, they gotta tax it today. Keep the government separate from the private domain. Spot the difference in the story, and you conquer the day. Stick tight to the facts, that's the name of the game. Keep the entities separate, master the claim. The private gift shop gets taxed, the feds are immune. Government functions are safe, states are immune. The private gift shop gets taxed, feds are immune. Government functions are safe.